Welcome to RouteMagic. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up route optimization.
To set up route optimization, we need to configure a few company settings. To access company settings, navigate to Company, Settings, Route Management, Route Optimization. Here we will find route optimization settings. First, enable optimized allocation of stops to all routes. This allows the system to allocate stops across multiple routes automatically. This ensures balanced distribution of deliveries among routes and reduces vehicle idle time. Second, enable route optimization. This activates the route optimization feature, enabling the system to rearrange stops for better efficiency while considering factors like traffic, constraints, and delivery windows. Third, enable weight constraints for vehicles. This ensures vehicles stay within their weight limits, meeting operational and legal requirements for safe transport. Fourth, enable volume constraints for vehicles. This prevents overloading by ensuring vehicles do not exceed their volume capacity, improving the overall planning process. Fifth, ETA calculation by using route start time. This calculates estimated arrival times based on the route's predefined start time, ideal for fixed schedules. Current time. This provides real-time arrival estimates, useful for dynamic or on-demand routes. Sixth, apply service time only once for adjacent stops. This reduces redundancy in calculating service times for consecutive stops handled by the same vehicle, leading to streamlined operations. Seventh, service nearest customers first on route optimization. This prioritizes stops closest to the starting point, reducing initial travel time and fuel consumption. Eighth, use vehicle skills for planning. This matches vehicles with specific skills, e.g., refrigeration, to appropriate stops, ensuring operational accuracy for specialized deliveries. Ninth, optimize around first SV, site visit. This builds the route around the first scheduled site visit, ensuring timely service for priority stops. Next, we have to create routes. To create routes, navigate to Route Management, Routes, Add New. Enter the following details. Route name, start and end time. Input the time when you want the route to start and end. Average service time. Input the average time taken to service each customer on this route. Route start and end coordinates. Input the latitude and longitude of the location you want the route to start and finish. Route color. Choose a color to easily identify this route on the planner map. The configured route establishes the operational timeline, service duration, and vehicle assignment, ensuring efficient delivery execution. We also need to set up vehicle type. To set up the vehicle type, go to Route Management, Vehicle Type, Add New or Edit Existing. Basic info. We have to set vehicle type parameters like maximum weight, maximum volume, and maximum package count. This defines the vehicle's capacity constraints. Under Route Planning, Service Time Factor. Adjust the service time factor for this vehicle. Cost per kilometer. Input the cost per kilometer for operational expense tracking. Cost per hour. Define the hourly operational cost for the vehicle. This setup defines cost and time calculations for route optimization and ensures that vehicle-specific constraints are respected. Once the vehicle type is added, we have to enter the vehicle details. Navigate to Route Management, Vehicle, Add New or Edit Existing. We can enter the name, Build type of the vehicle. VIN and license plate number. Choose the vehicle type. Default driver, etc. Set vehicle-specific parameters like max distance, in meters. This defines the maximum distance the vehicle can travel. Max drive time, in seconds. This sets the maximum driving time. Brake start and end time. This is used to specify time frames for driver brakes. Minimum and maximum jobs. This will define the range of jobs the vehicle can handle. This setup ensures that the vehicle operates within its distance and time constraints while adhering to brake schedules and job limits. All of these were just one-time setup. We don't have to worry about it every time. Once all the one-time setup is done, we have to add the customer details. Go to Customer Management. Customer. Add new or edit existing. Delivery. Add or edit existing. We have to set up some customer parameters to ensure seamless route optimization. We have to enter the default route, assign the route the customer will be allocated to. Delivery time window, define specific delivery time frames. Priority, assign a delivery priority if necessary. Holidays, input customer-specific holiday schedules. Sales rep for delivery, assign a sales representative for the customer. Under contact information. Coordinates, input longitude and latitude for accurate routing. Full address, ensure all address details are complete. Van sales schedule. Configure schedule intervals, daily, weekly, monthly. Assign a route for van sales. Accurately configured customers ensure that delivery windows and locations are adhered to during route optimization. After the customers are set, there are some constraints with respect to the products which are considered while route optimization. Adding or editing a product. Navigate to Product Management. Products. Add new or edit existing. Measurements. We have to set product parameters like weight and volume, input product dimensions for vehicle load planning. Max time in vehicle, seconds, specify the maximum time the product can remain in the vehicle, especially for perishable goods. Proper product setup ensures perishable goods are delivered within their allowable time in the vehicle. On the route planner, we can see the orders placed on the given routes. These routes ready to be optimized. Before optimizing, there are a few route planner settings which can be set. Navigate to Route Management. Route Planner. Settings. We can set the following based on our needs. Default service time. We can set the time needed to service each customer. Service time override. We can adjust default service time with an override value. Max stops per partner. We can define the maximum number of stops per route. Max distance per partner. We can set the maximum distance a driver can cover. Max driving time per partner. We can input the maximum driving time allowed per route. To optimize individual routes, there are two options. First, click on Optimized within routes. This will optimize all the stops under the given routes. Second, click on Optimize Route option under each route. Select the configured route and click Optimize Route. The routes will be optimized keeping in mind the traffic conditions, delivery windows, vehicle constraints. Once the routes are optimized, we can check key metrics for the optimized route like total route time, total drive time, total wait time, total service time, total distance, completion time. We can also see optimized map view. For some routes, if the routes are not optimized, we can see the reason why. Optimized routes save time, reduce operational costs, and ensure timely deliveries. That was the end of single route optimization. We can also use multiple route optimization, which allows you to manage multiple routes efficiently, ensuring balanced workloads, reduced travel time, and optimized delivery schedules. For using multiple route optimization, we must select Optimize across routes option on the route planner. For multiple route optimization, we can select different objectives for route optimization. We can select these objectives on the settings screen. Objective 1. Minimize routes used. This consolidates stops into fewer routes, reducing the number of vehicles required. Objective 2. Minimize combined driving time of all routes. This focuses on reducing the total driving time across the fleet. Objective 3. Minimize combined completion time. This reduces overall route duration by optimizing both driving and service times. Objective 4. Minimize maximum completion time. This balances workloads to prevent any one route from taking significantly longer than others. Objective 5. Minimize maximum stops per route. This ensures stops are evenly distributed, avoiding overloaded routes. Objective 6. Balance completion time and stops among routes. This balances both route duration and stop count for equitable workloads. Steps. Select one of the above objectives and save. Optimize across routes. Click Save to finalize optimized routes. Optimized routes are available on the RouteMagic mobile app for drivers, including navigation and stop details.